Hey you guys, so I'm just starting off by I'm about to bleach the knots on the frontal. So I'm just spraying the hair and combing the baby hairs back so all the hairs are going one way. And I'm flipping it over and I'm using, I think that's 40 volume developer and just like 2 scoops of powder. You want to get it to like a toothpaste consistency so the bleach don't, like, you don't over bleach the knots. Basically, you have a good consistency. You don't want it to be too runny, you also don't want it to be too thick. So I try to get mine like a toothpaste consistency, just to where it's like when you pick it up it don't fall off. You see it, yeah. So yeah, and I just apply that with a plastic knife and I leave it on for, I think I left mine on for 28 minutes. I'm gonna show y'all, but yeah, y'all can watch. And lightly apply this. I don't know what it looked like to y'all right now, but it was very light and gentle when I did it. Again, also this video is about I'm replacing the frontal on my wig, because I had ordered this wig. I think this wig is like a year old. I was just like a year ago, but the frontal they gave me is so freaking ugly. It's short. It's like the parting space is like 1 inch, y'all. 1 inch. And I got this frontal off Amazon that I'm bleaching the knots right now. This frontal's from Amazon. That wig in the back, y'all gonna see once I finish bleaching these knots, y'all gonna see the frontal I'm gonna cut off, and that frontal look toe up, y'all.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do. That's why I spend my life with you.
So this is the frontal I was talking about. It's ugly. Look at it. That's all the parting space. What am I gonna do with that? Let me know. So right now I'm just parting out where the tracks begin and when the frontal ends, and I'm gonna just cut that whole part out. Y'all gonna see them. I'm trying to give y'all a good view. Not me with them glasses on. Y'all, I got some new glasses. Them glasses that I just had on, I had them glasses for literally probably 10 years. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Don't know. But yeah. So I'm just finna cut that whole thing. Oh yeah, I put some T-pins. You're gonna want to put T-pins on the track, because when you cut it off, that's gonna be the only thing holding the wig in place.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love
here's the good part. So now this is the new frontal that we just bleached the knots on. Y'all see it looks good. It looks great. So right now I'm just taking a T-pin and T-pinning it. I'm not putting it on top of the track, but like right in front of it. And I'm T-pinning it together. You see? Y'all see that? Okay. So yeah, this is me finna sew it. I'm not sewing the frontal on top of the track. I'm sewing it. It looked like it's on top of the track, but it's not. It's right in front of the track. Just how the other frontal was. And me, when I sew back and forth, so I kind of leave a little bit of gaps in between mine. I don't know if that's what people do, but that's just what I do. I don't know. I'm not a professional. If y'all want to follow this video, follow this video. I'm just showing y'all what I do. But yeah, I leave a little space, and when I get all the way to the other side, I come back over to the other side, filling in those spaces, if that makes sense. But y'all gonna see me do that. Y'all gonna see me do that. So yeah, I'm just sewing. I don't know how to explain how to sew if you can't tell by what I'm doing. I don't know. All I can say is I'm not. Oh, now we out of focus. Am I gonna fix that? Oh, okay, y'all. Okay, we back. So yeah, you see, it's not on top of the frontal. It's not. You see, boom, right in front of it. Okay, but yeah. And then when I sew, I put a knot in mine. That's when you see me wrapping it before I pull the string through. Right there, boom, that's a knot. Yeah, and I keep doing that to the other side. And then when I get to the other side, I bring it back, filling in those gaps. But y'all gonna see. I'm gonna come back when I do it.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got to show you that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love.
Okay, so right here, y'all see I still got a lot of frontal left. I did not cut that frontal off until it was on my head. That's okay. This just for me, I was lit because I feel like, to me, I just got enough frontal space. It's going to fit my head perfectly, la, 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 la. So I did not, obviously, I don't have nowhere to sew the rest of the frontal, that piece that's still hanging or whatever. But when you put it on your head, you can cut it to your head size. And I really like that about this frontal and how big it was. So, and this is what I was talking about a few seconds ago or a few minutes ago. Once I reach the end of me sewing, I go back and I sew in them gaps that I said I'd be making. And just this, I don't know, I like to do this just so I know. First off, I don't be wasting no string. That's number one. But number two, I just know my stuff is secure and ain't no gaps because I don't cover them. You see? And that's the piece of the front I was talking about. This looks great. This looks great. Okay, I'm just showing y'all how it looks. Perfect. It look like I bought the wig like that. Y'all not finna tell me I did not buy that wig like that. Please. Please stop playing with me. If your frontal is ugly, don't throw that wig away. Because me, I was going to go and buy a new wig, the same texture, the same length, because of that frontal. I was like, why would I do that when I could just buy a frontal? Please. And that's what I did. I'm hot combing the hair. Oh, I'm hot combing the hair to cover up the track. So that's just a little piece of hair I put so the track won't be showing, you know, because we can't have no track showing. I don't know about y'all, but me, I cannot. And my hot comb is really trash. I need to get another one. I hate this hot comb. It don't even have no stand. So it be burning my counter. I put it on a towel though. But anyway, I don't know. I'm just ranting at this point. This hair looks so good. This hair, y'all, just wait to the install video. Just wait to the install video. That will be the next video that's posted. So just stay tuned for that and just keep watching.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is mine, your goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh, it goes on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Sorry, I just want to come on here and tell y'all. Look at them plucking skills I applied. That hairline is plucked, baby. It looks good. It looks great. Everything about this wig looks great. And I